Zara ang brand. Sobrang cute! Pwede sa sa beach. Beach 99. Ang ganda nito. Tapos naka-high waist ka. Small size, small medium. Beach 99. Ganda ng likod niya, no? Beach
You're
99.
welcome, Madam Ana Elaine.
Beach 99. O, diba? May mga bundles pa tayo. Wow! Big size, Marks and Spencer. Big size, Marks and Spencer na trouser. Trouser jeans, parang cargo. For this one, size natin is XL to double. XL to double, XL up to size 40 pwede to. Code natin for this one ay, nagmo sa Madam Gladys.
Patricia,
MS.
here's na si Beach 99.
Marks and Spencer, MS 180. Marks and Spencer. Bago lang po yun na pants. May Gymshark? Oh my God. Ay, ang ganda nitong shorts. High waist. Bermuda, black. H&M. H&M ba? For this one, code natin ay high. High 50 pesos. Size natin 24.25. High 50. High 50.